Okay, this video is going to be about making a box plot using data that we've already put into the calculator. Okay, so in another video we took this data and we put this data into list 1 as our independent variable and shoe size into list 2 as our dependent variable. Okay, and so I just want to make a box plot with this. Okay, and before we do that, let's recall what a box plot is. It's basically a plot of the 5-number summary, which is our min, our Q1, our median, our Q3, and our max. Okay, and just as a review, we can actually get that data. If we don't want to graph it, we can get that data by going stats, calculate, and one variable stats. Okay, and some of you have updated software. It's going to prompt you to input the list that you want to calculate one variable statistics for. I have the older software here, but we can just tell the calculator, let's say that we want to find the 5-number summary for shoe size. Okay, that was our dependent variable, that was our y value, that was in list 2. Okay, so I've already told the calculator compute one variable stats. I'm going to hit second 2, which tells the calculator take or find the one variable statistics of this list, and hit enter. And yeah, here we go. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and there we go. Here is our 5-number summary. Smallest value was 4. You can see that here. Max value was 13. You can see that here. And here's the Q1. Here's the median. Here's the Q3. Okay, and we can, compute the IQR. And search for outliers with just those 5 numbers. Okay, but say we want to graph that. So whenever we want to graph something statistically, we want to go to stat plot, but I don't want to graph anything that's in y equals. So I'm going to click that first, and I'm just going to double check that I don't have any functions in here. It looks like I don't. Yeah, okay, good. So those are clear. Now I'm going to hit second y equals, which takes us to the stat plot menu, and I just want to double check that I only have one stat plot on. So right now, plot 1 is the only one that the calculator is going to graph, so I want to select that. And let's see, we've got 2 options for box plots, right? We've got this one, which is modified, which shows the outliers, and this is the one that GeoGebra will give you. This is the one without the outliers. So I'm going to select this one, so I'm going to scroll, push down to type. I'm going to go highlight this. Okay, and when I push enter, what you'll notice is that now there's only one data set that's being asked for, right? And that makes sense if it's a box plot, but I want to make the box plot for shoe size, so I'm going to change that from list 1 to list 2 by pushing second 2. Okay, and then you guys know this by now, rather than just push graph, I'm going to do a zoom 9. Okay, hold on, not yet. I guess I'm going to do a quick quit out of there, go back to the stat plot. Okay, make sure that everything we wanted was saved. Okay, and now we'll try this again. We'll do a zoom 9, which is zoom stat, and there we go. Okay. So we can also trace in this, right? There's our min. I'm going to push right. There's our Q6. There's our median. There is our Q3. And there's our max. Okay, and just by having the calculator plot the modified box plot, right? And looking at its output, we know that we don't have outliers. Okay, and so we can prove that algebraically as well, but this graph shows us, yeah, no outliers. All right, so hope that was helpful, and yeah, that's it.